Hey you guys, I'm going to show you a website called commonlit.org and just show you some of the awesome tools it has. It's easy to create an account. I actually have my account already, but if you don't, I think it's the drop-down menu. You can do that here. Otherwise, I'm going to just show you a couple of the features because what's awesome about it is you can search things by Lexile and standards. It also has assessments with assessment questions, and what's awesome is that the questions are aligned to each standard. So let me show you a couple examples of this. So right now, I'm going to type in, I know 5th grade right now is looking for some figurative language stuff. So I know their range starts at 770. And so I'm clicking, this is kind of more like topic type, where this is the Lexile. And then down here, you'll see the standards, so just expand that. And I know they're working on their figurative language one, which is RL.4. So after you got this all filtered, so all of these texts, both fiction and nonfiction, will have something that has to do with your standard. So the other thing that's great is you can see the Lexile right there. And when you scroll over it, it gives you just a quick synopsis. So we're going to check this one out. All right, so a couple features I want to show you as you're reading this. If you want to do this for shared reading, there are places where it just gives you a quick, like if it's a tier 3 word, I think it's mostly tier 3 words. I guess it could be tier 2 words. Tier 2 words, just the kids can click right here to give them that, what the definition is. There's also the button to have the text read aloud.
Feathers by Anonymous. 5th grade Lexile.
You can hear it is kind of...
In this short story by an anonymous writer, a woman spreads a rumor, unaware of...
So you can hear it is a little bit robotic, but it is there as a scaffold for some of our kiddos that might need that. There's the questions here. So as they're reading, they can answer questions as they go along. This part is where you can find assessments. So this question here, like that's actually the standard that I was sorting for. So this question would be an assessment for this standard. And if you go through, you can see how the standard changes. But I mean, it's there. It's done for you. So I thought that was a great tool as well. I'm not sure about this. It looks like it's a YouTube. Maybe show me how to lead effective class. Okay. It's just a YouTube. Let's just click on it. See, this will just give you information on how to do that strategy. Oh, just kidding. Well, I think that's what the tool is there for. So anyways, I hope this is helpful. Yeah, you can download PDFs. You can assign it to kiddos. And there's just a lot of great options that you can do with your kids.